It's my pleasure to be able to present to you on how Mission Bio's Tapestri pipeline really leverages the BlueBee platform under the hood and some special aspects of our architecture, our deployment model, and some of the fit-for-purpose features that we created specifically for Mission Bio. And my hope is by the end, you'll appreciate why Mission Bio chose to partner with us. A frequent question that I get about what makes BlueBee different from other players in the cloud omics analysis space. And I really believe the most significant difference is our B2B, philosophy. And this really informs how we work with our partners. We like to think that we work with our partners as really virtually embedded extensions of their own teams. And our philosophy also informs how we have architected our platform, both really aimed to support a long-term partnership model. For BlueBee to be successful, our partners need to be successful and in the long term, which means that our platform is put together to leverage the best tech and services of today, as well as positioned to take advantage of whatever comes around the bend tomorrow. And this ensures that our partners and their customers can continue to focus on their core missions, not necessarily on cloud infrastructure, product delivery, and maintenance of production systems. I think it's really important to stress and understand that BlueBee's role in the relationship between our partner, such as Mission Bio, and their customers is really to facilitate the delivery of the analysis component of our partner's product to their customers. Our platform, our web framework, and our people really help our partner accelerate the realization and delivery of their product, but it's our partner who owns, controls the solution, and this includes our partner's IP, their unique branding, their workflow, output, and more. And I should also mention that, by default, a customer's data is private and accessible only to that customer. Data privacy and security are really at the core of the BlueBee platform, and enabling global compliance for clinical and other applications is really what we're all about. It is granular data sharing and collaboration is indeed possible between partners and customers who opt in and in accordance with the terms and conditions of the relationship. So let me get started with a high-level lay of the land and an introduction to some BlueBees. Today, there are three main components of the platform. There's BlueFlow, which is the core component that orchestrates the flow of data and management of different compute resources. We've got BlueBase, which is our big data solution capable of aggregating and integrating scientific, business, pipeline performance data for downstream mining and machine learning purposes. And then we've got BlueVantage, which is our web framework that we use for creating fit-for-purpose interfaces and user experiences for diverse sets of users working with the solution. And this includes, but certainly not limited to, biologists, clinicians, R&D teams, partner administrators, bioinformaticians, support staff, sales and marketing teams. Really, we realize that with a solution like this, you've got different users with different roles and responsibilities on the partner side as well as at the customer side, and we, create a fit-for-purpose solution that addresses all of their needs precisely. This one here, I won't spend a lot of time here. This is just I'm going to show this one just because I really like how we've integrated our BlueFlow with BlueBase into a nice infinity loop, to illustrate how this is an iterative process to facilitate, downstream mining and machine learning. I just really like how it forms that infinity loop to, in the shape of a bee. So I'm going to keep going here. So these three components, BlueFlow, BlueBase, and BlueVantage, they're deployed across three different environments. And there's the client environment on the far left there, the central platform, and regional data and compute centers. And one of the key benefits of this federation of responsibilities is the ability to maintain data residency. And data residency simply means that data never leaves the locality required by the regulations of a given jurisdiction. The data stays put, and the pipelines are spun up nearby on compute resources within that locality. I also should mention that BlueBee, our platform, is cloud resource provider agnostic, and this really allows. So that means we can run on Google, we can run on Amazon, we can run on Microsoft, we're not tied to any one particular cloud resource provider. And this allows us to select the resource provider that best meets the global requirements of our partners. That means we may use different cloud resources for a partner with end users in China than in Canada.